Hello student, welcome back to nice Olympiad complex math problem. In this problem, we are solving 7 into plus 7 into power a plus 7 divided by a is equal to 1 root of 98 and 2 powers 777 plus 1 divided by n to power 777 is equal to unknown. 7 into power a plus 7 divided by a is equal to 98. Now 98 is equal to 49 multiplied by 2. So this will be 7a plus 7 divided by a is equal to 49 into 2. 7 a is plus 7 divided by a is equal to, we write under root of 49 into under root of 2. In next step, this will be 7 into a plus 7 divided by a is equal to under root of 49 is 7 and this under root of 2. In next step, 7 into a plus 1 divided by a is equal to 7 into under root 2 divided by 7 and this divided by 7. This 7 cut by this 7 cut by this, remain a plus 1 divided by a is equal to under root of 2. That is equation number 1. Now squaring on both sides. After squaring both sides, we get a plus 1 divided by a whole square is equal to under root of 2 whole square. Now use this formula, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now this will be a square plus 2a into 1 minus 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by a whole square is equal to 2. Now a square plus 2 plus 1 divided by a square is equal to 2, and this will be a square plus 1 divided by a square is equal to 2 minus 2. In this step, this will move into this side and this will be converted into minus. In next step, this will be a square plus 1 divided by a square. Now this a square into a square plus 1 divided by a square is equal to 0, and now this will be n to power a square into a square is n to 4 plus this one is equal to 0, and this move to this side and multiply a square. Now a square into a into 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by a square is 0, and n to power 4 is equal to this a, this one move into this side minus 1. Now we have to find n to power triple seven plus 1 divided by n to power triple seven is equal to unknown, and that is equal to n to power triple seven plus 1 divided by n to power triple seven is equal to n to power 1 plus 776 plus 1 divided by n to power 1 plus 776, and now we use this formula n to power m plus n is equal to n to power m into n to power n to power a into n to power 776 plus n divided by n to power 1 and n to power 776. Now in next step this will be a into n to power 4 into 194 plus 1 divided by a into n to power 4 into 194, and this will be n to power m into n is equal to n to power m all into power n, and that is equal to a into 8 into the power 4 whole into power 194 plus 1 divided by a into n to the power 4 into the power of 194. Now n to power 4 is equal to minus 1. Recall this. After recalling this, we get a into minus 1 into 194 plus 1 divided by a into minus 1 into power 194. Now this will be n to power 777 plus 1 divided by n to power 777 is equal to a plus 1 divided by a. We recalling over this equation, a plus 1 divided by a is equal to under the root of 2. Now we write this a plus under the root of a plus 1 divided by a. Now this is our final answer to solve this mathematical problem, and here is our solution. Thanks for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, write in comment box. Goodbye.